I'm Sandy Pobanz, and I'm originally from Moline, Illinois. We've been patients of Mayo, our family, since August of 1942, when my father and mother went up there because Dad had not worked for 2 years and he had serious health problems. They helped him. They put him back on the right track, put him on medication for his rapid heartbeat, and as a result of that, with 6 grades of education, he was able to get well and become vice president of a major agricultural corporation. Our family never forgot Mayo. When somebody saves your life, that's something that sticks with you for the rest of your life. So they gave him his life back, and my parents their life back, and I was born 2 years after Mayo helped him get back on his feet. Over the years, we have always remembered Mayo, and when we had health issues that was not just the common cold or the flu or something that's pretty ordinary to take care of, something major would cross our path, and we'd have a family meeting to determine, well, are we going to try to get help locally, or are we going to drive 5 hours to Rochester? And the result was always, well, we're going to end up there anyway, we might as well start there. So over the years, my parents would go there for surgeries or major problems, and then as I got older, I started going, and they helped me with some serious issues. My parents decided to put it in their estate plan because they felt so strongly that they would have never been able to accomplish in life what they did without the help of Mayo. After they passed away, I didn't know what they had in mind with their gift, and so I discussed it with different people in the development department, and we decided to come up with pre-doctoral scholarship for scientists. So we've had one student graduate and go on to do postdoctoral work. I made the decision to move to Arizona, living in Illinois all my life. It was a big move. I didn't really know anyone here, but I knew the Mayo family would be behind me, which they have been tremendous in helping me adjust, and referrals to plumbers and all the different things that you need. So I have my doctor here now. I'm established with Mayo. It's been about 1.5 years that I've been here, and I've always wanted to volunteer for Mayo, but I didn't want to live in Minnesota, particularly because of the winters. So I started working a little over a year ago at the pain clinic. I assist the nurse in the recovery room after the patients have their injections. And my dream was to have a dog in a therapy dog program, which is a huge undertaking. My dog and I went to school for 14 months to learn how to do this and to to pass the qualification to be certified therapy dog team with the Delta Society, and we passed that in February. And so now Benji, my 2-year-old golden retriever, and I work in the radiation oncology waiting room at the Scottsdale campus of Mayo. And so on Wednesday mornings I work at the pain clinic by myself, and on Thursdays I work in the radiation oncology with my dog, and it is extremely rewarding. So not only do I have my doctor, I can work at Mayo, I can be part of the Mayo family. It's such an honor to have my badge that can get me in and out of secure areas. And even my dog has his bandana, which says Caring Canines Volunteer, and his own Mayo badge, which the day that we got that and I was able to walk into the clinic with my dog was one of the highlights of my life. And it brings smiles to people's faces, and it's just a tremendous opportunity to help other people. I kind of feel like I'm giving back. They've helped us, and my dad since 42, and me in later years, and this is one way I can give back to Mayo and help other patients. I had seen the outside of Mayo as a patient and a caregiver. I had never experienced the inside of Mayo, where you're actually in a department where the people are doing their thing, the doctors, the nurses. And I can truly say that there is no difference from what you see on the outside to what you see on the inside. They are dedicated caring people who are about helping people. I recommend anybody that wants to get help and get a truly positive experience in the medical care arena would be to go to Mayo.